Hey guys, so here we are with our first weld. Only done 3 sides there, so. But the good thing of having 3 sides done is you can check my gap. Let's have a look at that. It's pretty close, right? Yep. Doesn't look so good when you get close up, but that's less than a mil. Anyhow, this leaves me pretty confident that I can do the whole project by myself and have a good job. That's my first attempt at welding by myself. And I think all the tutorials and stuff have paid off. So yeah, slow progress now. Like, comment and subscribe guys please, and share this around with your friends. The project's getting underway. Cheers. Bye.